Welcome back to the Old Charles. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of United States coins, and in this video we are going to explore the 1981 1-cent coin, also known as the penny. We will look at its history, its value in circulation, and the factors that make it interesting to collectors and coin enthusiasts alike. The 1981 1-cent coin was part of the Lincoln Cent series, which began in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. The obverse of the coin features a profile of Abraham Lincoln designed by Victor David Brenner, while the reverse features the Lincoln Memorial, a design introduced in 1959 to mark the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The coin is made primarily of copper-plated zinc, as by 1982 the U.S. Mint transitioned from the original 95% copper composition to a primarily zinc core due to rising copper prices. When discussing value, it is important to understand that the 1981 1-cent coin is considered a modern coin and is not rare. Most coins from this year are found in circulation and are worth only their face value, 1 cent. However, coins that have been well preserved in uncirculated condition can be worth more to collectors. An uncirculated coin may fetch anywhere from 5 cents to a few dollars depending on its quality, the presence of any errors, and the demand among collectors. Coins graded higher on the numismatic scale, such as MS-65 or MS-66, can command higher prices, as these coins have maintained their original luster and show minimal to no signs of handling. Errors on coins can significantly increase value. Some of the known errors for 1981 pennies include double die obverse coins, where certain details like the inscriptions or Lincoln's features may appear doubled. Other possible errors include off-center strikes, missing letters, or uneven metal distribution. Such errors are much less common, and collectors are often willing to pay a premium for them. Even a minor error that is noticeable can increase a coin's value by tens or even hundreds of dollars depending on rarity and condition. Another factor to consider is provenance. Coins that come from mint sets or proof sets are often more valuable than circulation coins because they have been carefully preserved in controlled conditions right from the mint. Many collectors prefer coins from these sets because they are usually free from scratches, dings, or discoloration that can appear on coins that have been in everyday use. Condition is always key in numismatics, and for the 1981 penny this is no different. Coins are typically graded on a scale from poor to mint state, and the difference of a single grade can impact value significantly. For example, a coin graded as good may only be worth a penny, while the same coin in choice uncirculated condition could be worth several dollars. Maintaining the coin in its original state is important. Collectors often store coins in protective holders or sleeves to avoid tarnishing and to maintain value over time. It is also interesting to note that the 1981 penny is part of a larger story about the U.S. Mint and the economics of coin production. During the late 70s and early 80s, the cost of producing copper coins was rising, and this led to the eventual change in composition from nearly pure copper to copper-plated zinc in 1982. This change makes the 1981 penny one of the last predominantly copper pennies produced, which adds a layer of interest for collectors who focus on the copper era. In summary, the 1981 1-cent coin is a modern coin that is widely available but still holds value for collectors, especially in uncirculated condition, or if it has a mint error. It is a coin that tells a story about American history, the evolution of currency, and the life of Abraham Lincoln. Immortalized on the cent, its value is generally modest, but for the right coin in the right condition it can be a SM meaningful part of a coin collection. We are taking a closer look at the history of the 1981 United States 1-cent coin, also known as the penny. This coin is part of the Lincoln Cent series, which began in 1909 to celebrate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Abraham Lincoln was chosen to be featured on the coin because of his significance in American history as the 16th president who preserved the Union and abolished slavery. The original design was created by sculptor Victor David Brenner, and it has become one of the most recognizable and longest-running designs in United States coinage. The Lincoln Cent underwent a major redesign in 1959 on the occasion of Lincoln's 150th birthday. The reverse of the coin was changed from the original wheat ears to the Lincoln Memorial. This design was created by Frank Gasparo and remained in use until 2008. The obverse continues to feature Lincoln's portrait, which has remained largely unchanged since 1909. The 1981 penny is therefore part of this Lincoln Memorial design era and represents the continued homage to Lincoln's legacy in American culture. In terms of production, the 1981 penny was struck at the Philadelphia and Denver mints, with the Philadelphia coins carrying no mint mark and the Denver coins marked with AD. The coins were made of 95% copper and 5% zinc. This composition was standard for pennies until 1982, when rising copper prices forced the United States Mint to switch to copper-plated zinc coins. The 1981 penny is therefore one of the last coins to feature the predominantly copper composition of earlier decades, which makes it historically significant for collectors interested in the copper era of United States coins. The Lincoln cent also reflects broader economic and cultural changes in the United States. The coin remained the nation's primary small denomination currency and was widely used in everyday transactions from groceries to public transportation. The continuity of Lincoln's image on the cent also symbolized stability and national unity during a time when the country was experiencing social and economic changes, including inflation, energy crises, and shifts in monetary policy. Collectors often view the 1981 penny as part of the late 20th century numismatic history. It represents a period when coin production was transitioning due to economic pressures and when coins began to be more actively collected and preserved rather than circulated extensively. With the rise of mint and proof sets in the 1970s and 1980s, collectors gained access to high-quality examples of coins like the 1981 penny, making it an important part of modern coin collecting history. In summary, the 1981 United States 1-cent coin has a rich historical background. Its roots in the Lincoln cent series honor the legacy of Abraham Lincoln and his impact on the nation the coin represents the final years of the predominantly copper pennies and reflects the economic and cultural context of the early 1980s. The history of this coin is intertwined with both the story of American currency and the story of a nation looking back at its past while moving into a modern era. We are going to talk about the condition of the 1981 United States 1-cent coin and how it affects its value and appeal to collectors. The condition of a coin is one of the most important factors in determining its worth. Even for coins that are relatively common like the 1981 penny, collectors use a grading system to assess a coin's condition, and this system ranges from poor to mint state, which helps to standardize the value and provide guidance for buying and selling coins. A circulated 1981 penny is a coin that has been used in everyday transactions and will show signs of where these coins may have scratches, nicks, or discoloration from handling and exposure to the elements. Even though they are generally worth only face value, collectors sometimes seek specific examples for educational or filler purposes, but their value is typically 1 cent unless there is a notable error or unusual strike. Uncirculated coins are those that have never been used in everyday transactions and have retained most of their original mint luster. They may have minor imperfections from the minting process, but overall they appear sharp and fresh. The grading scale for uncirculated coins begins with MS60 to MS70, with higher grades indicating fewer imperfections and greater visual appeal. An uncirculated 1981 penny in MS65 condition may be worth several cents, while coins graded MS68 or higher can fetch more depending on market demand. Coins that are part of mint sets or proof sets are often in superior condition. As they were struck with extra care and handled minimally, they usually exhibit full detail, sharp rims, and smooth surfaces. Collectors prize these coins because they are free from the wear and tear that affects circulation. Coins the 1981 penny in a mint set or proof condition can be especially attractive for those seeking to complete Lincoln cent collections or copper era collections. Special attention should also be paid to coins with errors or unusual features, as these can affect condition grading and value. Coins with double dies, repunched mint marks, or off-center strikes can be visually distinct and may appeal to collectors even if they show minor flaws. These coins are graded individually and the market value can vary greatly depending on rarity and appeal. Storage is key to maintaining coin condition over time. Even uncirculated coins can develop toning, tarnishing, or other surface issues if they are exposed to moisture, air pollutants, or improper handling. Collectors store coins in protective holders, sleeves, or albums to prevent scratches and maintain the coin's original luster. Consistent and proper storage ensures that a 1981 penny retains maximum collector value and visual appeal. In summary, the condition of a 1981 United States 1-cent coin ranges from heavily circulated coins with minimal value to pristine uncirculated or proof coins that are worth more to collectors. Condition is assessed using a standardized grading system and